Reducing CO2 emissions and saving power are major global issues. Without exaggeration, one could call them inseparable too, and the most urgent issues for commercial facilities and products that consume a lot of electricity. Nidec boldly tackles these issues.
Nidec produces motors, compressors, controllers, as well as many other products, while offering customized solutions that meet customer needs. All of these products are power-saving and energy-efficient. Nidec also offers various solutions for commercial refrigerators and kitchen equipment, such as for restaurants.
Nidec stays committed to being close to people's lives and creating a future that nurtures a prosperous life. Nidec continues to support you to make a better life.